Hello students, I am Prabdeep Singh, your political science teacher, and today we will discuss one of the very important topic of political science. Actually, this is the part of justice chapter. In many of the exams you can see questions from this topic. So today I made this video for you. I am making this video for you to clear the doubts. The topic is equal treatment for equals. Students, this is one of the principle of treating equally. It is considered that all individuals share certain characteristics as human beings. Therefore, they deserve equal rights and equal treatment. Some of the important rights which are granted in most of the liberal democracies today includes civil rights such as right to life, right to liberty, and right to property. Some of the other rights also provided by some of the countries, like political rights, like the right to vote, which enable people to participate in the political process, and certain social rights, which would be include right to enjoy equal opportunities with other members of the society. Apart from equal rights, the principle of treating equally would require the people should not be discriminated against on the ground of caste, class, race, and gender. They should be judged on the basis of their work and action, and not on the basis of the group to which they belong. Therefore, if two persons from the different caste perform the same kind of work, whether it breaking stone or delivering pizza or do any job, they should receive the same kind of reward. For example, if a person gets 100 rupee for the some work and another receive only 75 rupees for the same work because they belong to a different caste, then it would be unfair or unjust for that person. Similarly, if a male teacher in a school gets a higher salary than the female teacher, then this difference would also be unjustifiable and wrong. In short, students, the topic we have equal treatment for equals means if the two persons have the same skill, then the salary should also be same, without any of the thing which we always in our society you can see easily on the basis of gender, on the basis of caste. The people discriminated the other one. This is not right, students. That's why the constitution of the country, the constitution of India, provide this thing, equal treatment for equals, means equal treatment for equal. Here the word is equal for those who have the same kind of skill. Not like that we all are human beings, so we all have the right to get a government job without any education, without any skill. This is not possible. In India, our constitution provides such system where the government provide equal opportunities for the people, and after that the people who have the skill, who have that knowledge, can easily get the job. I hope, students, this topic is clear to you, and after that if you have any doubt you can concern with me. My number already you have, 9592010293. This is my WhatsApp number. You can send message and clear your queries. I will try to help you. Thank you.